This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Type-C microphone to your phone. First, ensure your phone's USB-C port supports audio input, as some are only for charging. Next, confirm your microphone is compatible with mobile devices. Many Type-C microphones are plug-and-play, but always check specifications. Finally, prepare your phone by ensuring its operating system is updated to the latest version for best compatibility. To get started, you'll typically need a high-quality USB-C to USB-C cable. This ensures a stable and reliable connection between your microphone and phone. If your microphone has a standard USB-A connector, you will need a USB-A to USB-C adapter. For more advanced microphones, a compact audio interface can provide phantom power and better control, enhancing your recording quality significantly. Always choose reputable brands for cables and adapters. Connecting your microphone is usually straightforward. First, plug the USB-C end of your microphone or adapter directly into your phone's USB-C port. Ensure it's seated firmly to avoid intermittent connections. Once connected, open your preferred audio recording application. Most phones will automatically detect the external microphone. You should see an indicator or option to select the external mic within the app settings. Do a quick test recording. If you encounter any issues, start by ensuring your phone's operating system is fully updated. Sometimes, a simple software update resolves connectivity problems. Next, check your microphone's power source and gain settings. Some microphones require external power or specific gain levels. If the microphone isn't detected, try restarting your phone or testing with a different recording application. Remember, a stable connection is key for clear audio, so ensure all cables are securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.